Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Hi there, Loy Macedo Sweeney from LoyMacedo.com. Who's Loy Macedo? Think Personal Branding. Okay, I got this question which many people ask me, surprisingly, is they saw this video of me running in the rain, the slightly cold rain. It was not very cold. And they said, Loy, don't you get sick in the rain, man? You're running in the rain. What the hell, In fact, I had posted a video of me and my small little baby playing in the rain. And people are like, Loy, what are you doing? Your baby can get pneumonia and fever and this and that. In fact, that's not the first time. Sometimes when it rains, I take my baby on the scooter and my wife, and we go for a round in the rain. Once there was even rain, and I took my baby in the rain with my wife. In the market, it was raining heavy, and I took slowly, and I was wet with rain and my baby, and people are like, oh, your baby will get sick, what are you doing and all that. Okay, so why is it that I take my baby and go in the rain, or why do I run in the rain, and why don't I get sick? Here's your question. Here's my answer. We are human beings. As human beings, we have to be one with nature, whether sunshine, whether rain, whether the cold. I mean, today we are living in an air-conditioned room. We are staying in sheltered houses. We are staying with the light. Like right now it is, 4:20 in the morning. This is not natural for us. This is all man-made. It's created. Before, man used to live in the rain. He used to walk in the rain. He used to walk in the sun. And many of them were barefoot. Okay. That's why if you actually look at children who are born in the village, they run barefoot. They run without slippers and all that. And even if they get cuts and all that, they are pretty strong. But if you actually look at we people who wear shoes and socks, if you go without shoes, it's very sensitive because this is not natural. So naturally, if you look at it, people who keep themselves attuned with nature, they're used to it. The body develops that resistance. That is why you see children who run barefoot, their feet are very strong. Even my 92-year-old landlord, he climbs up trees because he's kept himself physically active. This lifestyle that we have, sitting in the office, sitting on the chair, sitting in the AC, this is not normal. We this Facebook releases now this new concept, metaverse. What they want us is to lie down, have something gadget on the face, and be stimulated through some virtual world. This is not natural for us. Nature is natural for us. I'll give you a simple example. When we were small, games was playing cricket, playing football, running outside, playing in the sand, running with the friends, playing catching hook, jumping, climbing, doing all that stuff, physical activity. Today's children, fun and games is the smartphone. Fun and games is YouTube. My small little baby, man, she's only 2 years old and she has this iPad. And, initially I said no iPad, nothing for the baby. But then when I realized there is ABCD, languages, learning Thai, learning English. So we supervise what she is watching and we make sure she's learning education. That is how she knows how to talk in both Thai and in English. Okay. So I got my first computer, forget iPad, my first computer when I was, I think, 21 years old. Until then, the computers that I used to see was somebody else's. I would look at it and be fascinated with the machine and like, wow. I remember the first one that my stepfather actually bought home was this blinking green thing. And it was just a DOS commands and it didn't do anything. It just had green lines and he just bought it because we wanted to see what it could do, So, and we had this 5-inch floppy drive. You can Google search. It was so funny. And I was wondering, what is this machine like, So us as human beings, we are meant to be with nature. That is why every day when it rains, even now when it rains, I will go out after, once it becomes 6:30, after I finish the videos, I will go running in the rain. My body is used to it. Now, let me surprise you with something that will shock you. When I was in UAE, United Arab Emirates, the temperature used to go 50 degrees heat. I used to train my body to run on the beach at 50 degrees heat. On the beach, I used to run. Imagine the sand. When I was being trained by my coach for triathlon, he used to make me run on the on the soft sand, which used to go up to halfway below my knee and my foot. That much water used to be there, and we were running in the heat. We used to make a sprint and all that. 50 degrees. Can you believe people who die of heat stroke in France at 25 degrees? Here I was, and 50 degrees is bloody hot. Let me tell you. Please don't do this unless you have some, medical clearance, because your heart rate goes up and you can fall down and die also. Okay, so I was training there. For those of you who follow me on Facebook and YouTube, you know this. After my bodybuilding injury, I couldn't even walk. So how did I train myself? I used to go barefoot walking. At first, I couldn't do even 50 meters. After 1 year, barefoot running, slow running, I did 48 kilometers from Ajman, that is based in UAE, to Sharjah, all the way to Dubai, that is Burj Al Arab. That is, I think, a distance of 48 kilometers I went walking, a long distance. Walking and slow running. I did that because my body was used to my feet, which couldn't take, even walking. Man, imagine, without shoes, I did barefoot running. So, and when I was in Dublin, Clondalk in Ireland, because I didn't have the money, I used to have bath in ice cold water. The temperature was almost like it used to go to 0 degrees or -1. And I used to put water in a bucket, and the freezing water, I used to have bath. Okay. So why am I telling you this? The body can get used to it. Now, before you say it's impossible, let me tell you, there are people who have bath in ice cold water in Moscow and all that. They go in the icy lake and they submerge themselves in water. And then there are people who walk crossing the desert in the heat, ultra runners or something like that. Now, please don't do this without medical clearance and without supervision. It takes time. Like all of a sudden, if you all of a sudden decide, I'm going to have bath in cold water today, you will fall sick because your body is not used to it. But if you give your body gradual increase, slow increase of getting used to it, your body will get used. Like example, me, my wife and my baby, we have bath in cold water. There's no water heater in the house. And I don't allow water heater because I wanted them to get naturally used to it. Like if you have never slept on the floor and all of a sudden you sleep on the floor, your body will ache. You'll not be able to sleep. So me and my wife and my baby, we sleep on the floor, ground, okay, with very thin bedding. Then we have bath in ice cold water. My baby, if it goes out and plays in the rain, or I go out or my wife, we don't fall sick because we are used to it. So what I want to tell you is, if you want your body to develop the resistance, you have to be in sync with nature. Now, if you have not done it, you are sitting in the office, which is not natural. You're only seated on a chair. You have only the AC. Then you're getting used to an artificial environment. It's time you get one with nature. That is why if you see in the village, people don't have AC. People don't have, even lighting. Some people even go, they can squat, sit on the ground and, do poop and piss, which is supposed to be in the natural way. We are supposed to go to the toilet, not the commode. But people, they want to sit comfortably. And that is why people sit for half an hour or 1 hour in the toilet. But you try squatting. And I had to do that when I went to India. Oh, goodness, that was so embarrassing. Okay. So I have pooped in the forest without this thing, only to have a wild dog come near me thinking, oh, good food. That was another embarrassing incident. So what I want to tell you through this video is, we as human beings, we are part of nature. We have to get used to nature. Now, obviously, I'm sure it'll take you time to get used to it if you're used to being in the office, even your children. So give it time. If you want to get used to it, whether it's cold water, having bath in cold water, whether it's running in, walking in the heat, whether it's running a marathon, whether it is, doing exercise, your body takes time to get used to it, and eventually it gets there. So this is why I exercise in the rain. This is why I take my daughter to get even, soak in the rain, and I want her to get used to the nature and not man-made environment. So I hope this answers your question. Let me know your thoughts, and please, before you do anything, take a professional opinion. And whenever you do something, do it slow and steady, and eventually you'll get there. And yes, be mentally prepared that you can fall sick if you're not used to it, but eventually your body develops the resistance, because the human body is such a wonderful mechanism that adapts and adopts over the period of time. Having said this, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Good, bad, ugly, I'd love to read them. This is me signing off. You guys take care.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.